Let me tell you something most people won't admit. The hardest part of becoming great isn't talent or luck or timing. It's showing up day after day when no one's watching, when no one's cheering, when no one even notices. Because real success, especially in cybersecurity, is built in silence. Not in the spotlight, not in the leaderboard, not in the payouts, but in those quiet moments when you choose to keep going even when the world doesn't clap. In Bug Bounty, there are days you find nothing. Days when your recon returns empty. Days when your best payload fails and your report gets marked as duplicate. No fame, no bounty, no recognition. Just you, your screen, and the decision. Do I stop here or do I show up again tomorrow? And that decision is what separates the hobbyist from the professional, the good from the great, the short-term chaser from the long-term builder. People only see the highlight reel, the big bounties, the certifications, the talks, the applause. But what they don't see are the years of invisible effort behind it. The quiet mornings, the sleepless nights, the self-doubt, and the consistency no one talks about. Every great hacker, every world-class security engineer, every leader was once an invisible beginner who showed up long enough to be seen. It's like lifting weights in an empty gym. No crowd, no music, no validation. Just repetition, pain, growth. But one day, you look in the mirror and realize you've changed. Not because anyone pushed you, but because you never stopped showing up. In cybersecurity, knowledge compounds. Every report you read, every recon you run, every lab you complete, even when no one else notices, it's adding to your foundation. The truth is, no one becomes elite overnight. They just outlast everyone who quit too soon. So if today feels slow, if your inbox is empty, if your work feels unseen, remember this. The silence doesn't mean failure. It means you're building something real. Something that takes time, focus, and faith. Because showing up when no one's watching is how you earn results that no one can take away. So this week, don't chase validation, chase progress. Be the one who keeps showing up, even in the quiet, even in the dark, even when no one says a word. Because when the spotlight finally turns your way, you'll realize you didn't get lucky. You got there by showing up long enough for your work to be seen. This is Bug Bounty and Beyond, where success is built in silence and greatness starts when you simply show up. If this message hit home, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who's grinding in the dark. And remember, your consistency is your superpower. See you next Sunday.